Hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to see about a designing software. So before going into the designing, we should know about the two types of design software we have. So one is parametric software and another one is non-parametric software. So what is parametric and non-parametric software? If you want to design a box with a particular dimension for length, breadth, height, you should go for parametric. You can mention the dimension and you can design. We cannot mention any dimension in non-parametric software. It is like pottery making. While making a pot, they won't make with particular dimensions for the curve, edges and everything. So we are going to see about the software called Tinkercad, which is provided by the company Autodesk. It is a basic online designing software. It is a free software. We just need to create an account for the software to work with that. Just type Tinkercad. This is our homepage for this Tinkercad software. So as I said, you have to create your account to work with this. After creating, just sign in. I already have an account, so I'm going to log in with that. So yes, in this online software we can learn 3D design and even the basic electronic circuits. So if you design something, then it will be automatically saved and showed here. So first, you need not go to design page. So go to learn tab. So we want to learn about 3D design. Select that. We have step-by-step lessons here. Each lesson will guide us with different options, different menus, different controls. So we can easily learn with this tutorials. After finishing all these basic lessons, we can go for these projects. And you can work with what you learn. You can apply all the things you have learned here. We have lot of projects to work with. So once you familiar with these things, you can create your own design using create new design tab. here. Click create new design. This is our design page. So in the next video, we will see how to design and what all the menus are here and what for these shapes are everything. So thanks for watching.